Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand dryer and it's giving you an ER08 or an E8 or something like that along those lines. An error number 8 basically. It will display differently on different models. And you're wondering, what is this error and what do you need to do to get rid of it? So a couple things. First of all, what is the error? So this 8 error is basically the dryer gives itself a certain amount of time to dry whatever's inside it. And if it exceeds that time, then it will give you this error. So on a lot of these models, it's 300 minutes. It will turn until it's dry, and if it doesn't get dry after that time, then it'll say, oh, there's an error, and it will give you this error. So, if it's other than giving you this error, it's working, then I wouldn't worry about it. I would just, restart the cycle and let it continue to dry. You might have just put some stuff that's in there that's really, really wet. And it's just taking more time than than normal to dry. So anyways, I hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.